Hi guys, this video is for everybody who has a Brita water filter or a similar water filter. And yeah, so why are people having a water filter? Of course, it improves water quality if you don't have good tap water. Some people have a fridge with a good filter, but sometimes you're in a situation you don't have a good fridge with good water quality. Maybe you have an old fridge, you don't know how the water is there. Maybe the water was long in its plastic pipes, and you don't know if there is mold and bacteria and whatsoever. It's impossible to clean these pipes within the fridges, and yeah, sometimes it's a really good thing when you want to have an alternate possibility. Sometimes maybe if you have just a small apartment, you're on a vacation, on travel, yeah, why not to have something like that? I've been looking into that many times. I've never bought one, but I'm still thinking about maybe having this as a backup plan. So if somebody has already a Brita filter and is happy with that, there is still a problem with that. And I mean, it's not the price when you buy it new, but it's about the price when you buy replacement filters, because the filters can be really expensive. Here we have this. This is a good listing here. We have 3 filters or 3-pack for $14. It's about $5 each. But the problem is when we go down, we see that one cartridge only lasts for about 40 gallons of water. So that means if we do the math, we come to about a price per gallon of 12 cents. I mean, it's still cheaper probably than bottled water or most of the bottled water, but it's still some still some money. You can save some money with something like that. There is the long-lasting filter, but it doesn't only last longer, it also costs more. It lasts for, I think, I've seen that somewhere, 120 gallons or something like that. Yeah, here we have it in the picture. Yeah, it says 120 gallons, 3 times the amount of water, but it costs even more than 3 times. So actually, yeah, you cannot even save money with that. So how can you save money on that? And it looks like there is a solution now. When we go to this website, this crystalquest.com, they have this water pitcher filter system. I mean, the first thing, the pitcher itself with the first filter is a little bit more expensive compared to the Brita one for 26. I mean, if you buy the first thing cheap, doesn't mean that it will be cheap on the long term. So usually the things which are cheap first are on the long term even more expensive. It's the same thing with printers. Some printers are super cheap, and then when you have to buy the cartridges, you pay a lot of money. So it's the same thing here. You pay a little bit more here, but you get access to a filter system which is much more efficient and much more durable. As you can see, one filter cartridge lasts for about 2,000 gallons of quality water, and it has also this really good 4-step filter, and 2,000 gallons, that's 50 times the amount of water from the original Brita filter cartridge which we see here, and it only costs $20. When we see this here, it is $20, means about 4 times the price, but it lasts for 50 times the amount of water. And I heard from people who are having this that it's really a good thing, that it really works for them, that they like it. It has also good reviews. The only thing is, the only reviews which you find are on this website, but I have no doubt that this really works, because I heard this from somebody who is really reliable on that and not affiliated in any kind of in this or with this company. And I'm neither. I have no relations with this company. I'll put down the link to this product into the description, but I'm not affiliated with that. I don't get any money from that. No, nothing. I just found this really helpful and useful. And if you are into these Brita things, if you like the system, then you will probably like this too. And I mean, instead of paying 12 cents per gallon with this system, when you do the math, you will only have to pay 1 cent. So yeah, you can save really a lot of money. It's only about 8% what you have to pay. You save 92% on that system compared to Brita. That's a huge thing, I think. I mean, that makes absolutely sense for me. The only thing is you can't buy it on Amazon. You really have to, or it looks like you have to really buy it on this website. But I mean, when you buy a couple of filters, I mean, maybe you get it without shipping, or even if you have to pay a little bit, it probably will be still way cheaper than the Brita system. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, or if you have already your own experience with this system, would be really nice to have your feedback in the feedback area. I'm always happy to learn about these things and discuss with you, and yeah, whatsoever. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.